For decades, there was a single, universally accepted mathematical formula for success. Go to college, get a safe corporate job, make $100,000 a year, and you win. You get the house, the cars, and the vacations. But if you look around today, that formula is completely broken. Today, making six figures doesn't mean you are rich. In most major cities, it barely means you are surviving. You are making more money than your parents ever did, yet you feel poor. Why? Because you are caught in the largest wealth trap in modern history. The rules of money were changed while you were sleeping. In this video, I am going to expose the exact mechanics of the middle-class trap. I will show you the 3 invisible forces draining your bank account and the exact blueprint the top 1% are using to escape it. If you feel like you are working harder just to stay in the exact same place, watch this until the end. Let's look at the math. The first trap keeping you broke is the lie of inflation. The news tells you inflation is at 3 or 4%, but when you go to the grocery store, your bill is up 40%. When you look at houses, the prices have doubled. This is called shadow inflation. When governments print trillions of dollars, the currency you hold in your bank account loses its purchasing power. It is an invisible tax. You aren't doing anything wrong. Your money is just buying less. If your salary increases by 5% this year, but the cost of housing and food goes up 15%, you just took a massive pay cut without even realizing it. But it gets worse. Shadow inflation is just the bait. Trap number 2 is how they keep you compliant. Welcome to the lifestyle debt matrix. Because salaries are no longer enough to buy the American dream. The financial system offered a dangerous alternative: cheap credit. If you can't afford the lifestyle, just finance it. People making $80,000 a year are driving $60,000 cars on 84-month loans. They are paying for groceries with credit cards, carrying 25% interest rates. The system is designed to make you look rich while keeping you entirely dependent on your next paycheck. The moment you take on consumer debt to look successful, you have officially sold your future time to a bank. You are running on a treadmill that is speeding up. And as long as you are trapped making monthly payments to banks, you will never have the capital to do what the wealthy are doing right now. Which brings us to the escape plan. There is a massive wealth transfer happening right now, dividing the world into 2 classes. People who own assets and people who own cash. The middle class saves cash. The wealthy buy assets. When inflation hits, cash becomes trash, but assets like real estate, stocks, digital businesses, and commodities absorb that inflation. Their prices go up. The wealthy actually get richer during inflation because their assets inflate in value, while the debt they used to buy them gets cheaper. If you want to escape the trap, your entire financial focus must shift from how can I save more of my salary to how can I acquire more assets. The $100,000 dream is dead, but a new, much larger game has taken its place. You now know the trap exists. You can see the shadow inflation, and you understand the danger of the debt matrix. The only question is what you do next. You have to stop trading time for money, plug the holes in your sinking boat, and start building digital and physical assets immediately. If you want the exact step-by-step blueprint on how to reset your finances and start acquiring these assets today, click the video on screen right now for the 6-month financial reset. I'll see you over there.